Hello students, today our topic is matrix. We are going to discuss about matrix. We are going to discuss about matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but array of rows and columns. Matrix is array of rows and columns. Okay, so how matrix is written? Matrix is written in a bracket, third bracket. Suppose this is a matrix A, B, C, P, Q, I. Matrix is denoted by a capital letter. So this is a matrix A, B, C, P, Q, R. Here A, B, C and P, Q, R. A, B, C, P, Q, R are called, what is they are called? They are called elements. These are called elements. These three are called columns, and these two are called rows. So this is a matrix. In matrix there are rows and columns. This is the first row, this is the second row. Okay, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column. So this is the definition of matrix. The matrix is array of rows and columns, and in matrix there are rows and columns. And next topic is order of a matrix. So what is the order of a matrix? Next topic is order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. So what is the order of a matrix? Suppose a matrix A is a matrix A, B, C, P, Q, R. In this matrix there are 2 rows and 3 columns. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. While writing the order of a matrix, we have written row number is always first. After that there is column number. Row number here is 2. Column number is 3, and order is 2 by 3. This is called order of a matrix. Very basic thing, order of a matrix. In the matrix, every element has a position. Every element it is a fixed position. Every element has a fixed position. Suppose A is a matrix, element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the matrix, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here, element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has a fixed position. how to determine the position. So this is first row, this is second row, this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. So one has a element 1 has a fixed position, element 2 has a fixed position, element 3 has a fixed position. So what are that position? So where is 1? 1 is in the first row and first column. Position of 1 is first row, first column. So it is written as, so 1, position of 1. If we generalize the element as A, it is written as 1 suffix 1. That means first one represent row number, second one represent column number. So position of 1 is A suffix 1 1. In matrix, first number always row, second number is always column. Similarly, we can see number 2. So in number 2 position, we can see position of 2 is first row, second column. First row, second column. So in number 3, position is first row, third column. Similarly, number 4, second row, first column. Fourth number is second row, first column. That means second row, first column. Number 5, second row, second column. Number 6, second row, third column. Okay, so matrix is nothing but array of elements. Every element has a fixed position. So to represent the fixed position, we are writing like this: A suffix 1 1. So what is 1 means? 1 is first one is row, second one is column. Similarly, A1 2, first one is row, second number 2 is represent column. So in a matrix, every element has a fixed position. So up to this you can understand what are order of matrix, what are the position of matrix. Next we are going to discuss about types of matrix. What are the types? Let's check type of matrix. Now we are going to study about types. Types of matrix. So first type is square matrix. First type of matrix is square matrix. So what is square matrix? We don't require the definition, just understand what is square matrix. In square matrix, number of rows equal to number of columns. That means, suppose A is a matrix 1 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here number of rows is 2, number of column is 2. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is called a square matrix. Suppose another example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also a square matrix. This is the first type of matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay. Now going to the second type. Second one is diagonal matrix. So what is diagonal matrix? So in a diagonal matrix, elements, there are only elements in the diagonal. Other all the elements are 0. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix. But in this matrix, diagonally elements are present, all other elements are 0. That is called diagonal matrix. Suppose this is a square matrix 2 by 2. Here only element, here 1 and 2, only diagonal element. So in a square there are 2 diagonal, but in this diagonal, the first diagonal, there are elements, other all elements are 0. In case of a 2 by 2 matrix. In case of a 3 by 3 matrix, suppose this is a 3 by 3 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3, this is a diagonal matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. The second type of matrix is diagonal matrix. Okay. Next come to the third type. So third one is identity matrix. Third type of matrix is identity matrix. Identity matrix. So diagonal matrix and identity matrix almost same. What is the basic difference? Basic difference is in identity matrix, diagonal elements are only 1. All other elements are 0. It is called identity matrix. Identity matrix represented by I. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. Also we can write like this, I2. I2 means it is an identity matrix of order 2. Since number of rows and number of columns are same, so we write like this, I2. Similarly, if we say I3, that means it is a 3 by 3 matrix where diagonal elements are 1, other elements are 0. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is written like 3 I3. I3 is a identity matrix. Okay. This is the third type. Now we are going to discuss about matrix addition. So what is the matrix addition? How two matrices can be added? Matrix addition. So matrix can be added. Suppose this is a matrix 2, 3, 5, 6. This is a matrix 7, 8, 3, 4. Order of this matrix 2 by 2, order of this matrix 2 by 2. We have to add these two matrix. So matrix addition or subtraction procedure is same. In matrix multiplication there is another procedure. So matrix addition and matrix subtraction. To add or subtract two matrix, order of the matrix should be same. To add or subtract order of two matrix will be same. To add or subtract two matrix, order will be same. That means number of rows and number of columns both will be same. Suppose we have to add two matrix A plus B. We have to add corresponding element. Corresponding element add 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 3 plus 8. 5 plus 3. 6 plus 4. So 9, 11, 10. And final matrix have the same order. This is the addition of matrix. Two matrix we can add like this. But in one condition, order of the two matrix will be same. Otherwise, we cannot add two matrix. Similarly, we can subtract two matrix like this. We can subtract two matrix. Suppose this is a matrix 3, 4, 6, 7. B is a matrix 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we subtract this matrix, same as in case of addition. 3 minus 7, 4 minus 8, 6 minus 9, 7 minus 10. So what will be the result? 7 minus 3, it is minus 4. 4 minus 8, it is minus 4. Minus 3, minus 3. This will be the answer. So these are the matrix addition and subtraction. Next we are going to discuss about multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Scalar means if we multiply a matrix with a number, with any number we can multiply a matrix. Multiply a matrix by a scalar. Suppose A is a matrix 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. If we multiply this matrix with a scalar, suppose we have to find 3a. So what is 3a? 3a means multiply the matrix element, every element of the matrix by 3. That means 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So this tree is scalar multiplication of the matrix by a scalar. That means we have to multiply each element of the matrix with this number. Suppose we have to find 5a. That means multiply every element of the matrix by 5. That means 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. That is multiply a matrix by a scalar. Let us discuss a question. Suppose a question is given. A is given 3, 4, 7, 8. B is given 2, 3, 5, 9. Okay, we have to calculate 3a minus b. This is a small question which carry around 2 marks. A is given, B is given. We have to calculate 3a minus b. Okay. So first we have to calculate 3a. 3a means multiply every element of the matrix A with by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Okay. Now we have to subtract b from 3a. So 3a minus b, that means corresponding element minus 3a. 9 minus 2, 12 minus 3, 21 minus 5, 24 minus 9. So 9 minus 2 is 7, 12 minus 3 is 9, this is 16, 24 minus 9, 15. So this is a simple question. So today we are discussing about matrix and matrix operation and types of matrix. So in the next video we are going some another topic. Thank you.